Superior, the Very Reverend John Conby S.J. He said so much as he came down the road. Just nice time to walk. What was that one thing? Brother Swan was
About the fruit on the shop. Yeah, juicy cream coat.
It's very close, the constable said. Corny Calico is better.
Can you send them by train now?
The vehicles do skirt like Susan Eagles. They keep
Oh yes, Blaze's ball is 10 minutes. The blonde girl handed him a document. Is it right here?
The house was Hill City, to be sure it was.
One of them also said you'll be in the package, that's what fact stores go from the gold player.
Yes, sir, she said. Maybe archly she reckoned against fat pears and blushing peaches. Places Balen looking for blouse with more favor, the stalk of the red flower between his smiling teeth. May I say a word to the telephone, missy? He asked, roguishly.
Stop!
By the time he walked and washed his mouth, he thought of other birds.
Shadow me and short shift in a long day tonight. Low blackguard. Wait till you get look around, Dad. The man upstairs. Very large and wonderful.
Stay away from the money. They met others. They know that I'm in mourning.
By the time he stopped with the schoolboys at the corner of Mountain
They know these in the paper and read my name printed and father. His face got all red instead of being red like it was, and there was a fly walking over it up to his eye. The scrunch of was, and they were screwing screws into the coffin, in the pump, and they were banging almost there. I was and Mark crying with Marko, and Marty telling the men how to get out of here. Big coffin. Hi. How was it?
Matthew ran across the road and Father Conby's letter. Then it's Jake again, involved in some dancing, silk hat, slate frock, silk face, white
Few flapping on the floor. Wiping his cat, whipping his toe along the bench, showing a rusted crown, scantily haired. Mr. Bloom beheld it. Mastering his troubled breath, he said, "I'll take this one." The shopman lifted eyes glared with old rheum. "Sweets of sympathy," said he. "Sweets of sympathy."
Father Conby this little book, Old Times to the Baron, and of the book that might be written about Jesuit powers, Mary Rockford, daughter of Lord Ellsworth, first Countess of Belgium. Ulysses lady, no more young,
Shut the book, quick. Don't let her say.
walked along the shore of Loch Ell. Mary,
A
first
steward
Countess.
face, done such charls, lank locks falling on its side. It glowed as she fell. Sprinkling of paste-back waistcoat.
Only God and she and before us. Father Kami thought of that tyrannous sacrifice, needed, however, for man's race on earth, and of the ways of God which were not our ways. Don John Kami walked. Smile she found in open faces.
Wedding is
Spread his arm. Sealed with hope and blessings. In the hands of a bride and a bridegroom, noble to noble, were by Don John Kami. It was a charming day. The little gate on the field showed Father Kami breadths of cabbages, curtsying to him with ample underleaves. The sky showed him a flock of small white clouds going slowly down the wind. Moutonnerre, the French said, a just and homely word. Father Kami, reading his office, watched the flock. Young cries in the quiet evening. He was the rector. His reign was mild. Father Kami drew off his gloves and took his reddish breviary out. An ivory bookmark told him the page. Gnomes. He should have read that before lunch, but Lady Maxwell had come. Father Kami read in secret, Pater and Ave, and crossed his breast. Deus in adiutorium. He walked calmly and read mutely the notes, walking and reading till he came to res in beati immaculati. Principium verborum tuorum veritas, in aeternum omnia judicia justitiae tuae. A flushed young man came from a gap of a hedge, and after him came a young woman with wild nodding daisies in her hand. The young man raised his cap abruptly. The young woman abruptly bent, and with slow care detached from her light skirt a clinging twig. Father Kami blessed both gravely and turned the thin page of his breviary. Sin, principes persecutus sunt me gratis, et a verbis tuis formidavit cor meo.